If you are currently running a dropshipping business and you want to know the best strategy for high ticket dropship on eBay, this video is for you. I'm going to show you 5 real examples of sellers that are doing it successfully. I'll go over a detailed strategy that can make you reach profitability like this. And as a bonus, I'll give you 2 products to list on your store so you can start high ticket dropship on eBay today. No excuses. And the reason I know this strategy works is because I've been analyzing hundreds of sellers that are using this strategy. And I've been also consulting with Zeke's seller team, and we've been exchanging information, and also with our users that they have been posting their results in our VIP members group every week, quickly breaking even and turning profitable. It's beautiful to see that. And so if you are in our community, keep posting because that's really inspiring for us. But what I want to say is, let's go back here with this strategy. Lots of these members that are posting these results are using this strategy that I'm going to show you now. So make sure you watch it from start to finish so you don't miss anything that could help you turn profitable. And as I promised, here are some sellers that are doing high ticket dropship on eBay, and you can save their store names and use them as references for your own business, okay? See, these are the sellers. So the first seller I want to show you is Gift Shop right here. He's a dropshipper from Israel, and sale earnings, $75,000 the last 30 days. And you scroll down here and then you see the seller is selling so many products, expensive products. And what is the price that we're looking for? High ticket dropshipping, normally it's $70 up. All right, the price, the item price. And here we see there's many options. Okay, many options with sales the last 30 days. Okay, so for example, this has sold 6 times the last 30 days for this price right here. Okay, now the second seller is exervstore. It's from Bulgaria. It's also a drop shipper. Also has a high active listings here, almost 1,000 items. Sale earnings $21,000. Average product price is at $50. But check it out. What I'm going to show you right here, the products. Right here. You see how many products are over $70? And when you do high ticket drop shipping, we're going to go over the strategy soon later in this video. But yeah, we should aim for at least 10% profit margin. So you can calculate right here in your head, how much he's making for each sale. So the next one that you can also use for reference is this dropshipper from Lithuania, fastonlinedeals, and you see the average product price is $135. So this is a high ticket drop shipper. Like this is what he's doing. And of course you have some like small, like lower priced items, like $8, but most of them are quite high. So feel free to, go over these sellers, learn from them. Go over their listings, see their photos, the item descriptions and everything, and see how you can twiddle the title a little bit, improve the photos, the description, and make a difference, okay? This is another drop shipper right here with high ticket items. He's doing high ticket drop shipping. You can see the lowest, the cheapest product that he's selling is $67, and the average product price of him is $200. And the last one is also from Lithuania, Silas 77 Street, I guess, ST, but has also high active listings, and the average product price is $164. And then you scroll down here, you see that, okay, there's some products, lower, like $9 and everything, but most of them are quite high. So, take this product right here, for example. In the last 30 days, has sold 10 times. All right. With this price right here, okay, $392. So you scroll down here and you see many options. You see some really good products. For example, this one, mini beverage fridge, has sold 17 times lifetime, and the last 30 days 5 times. So it is, it is really good. So with high ticket drop shipping, you can sell high priced items and make big profit in one sale instead of 10 small ones. But do not expect to, sell high ticket items the same way as you sell low priced items. You can sell them once every couple of days, weeks, and even, and even more. Sometimes it takes even more than weeks, but the profit will make up for it. So let's go over the strategy and find a winning high ticket product together. And, always be the first to know and always stay in the loop. So subscribe to our channel It means a lot to me and to everyone. Okay, so let's jump here to the strategy. Okay, so here we are. I'm really excited for this part, I have to say, because this is really a lot of good information that I'm going to give you, and I am glad that you're here watching with us and learning. Okay, so what are the high ticket product research principles? The first thing that you have to keep in mind is that, once you start your product research, you're not going to go for cheap products. Okay, your product research, you're going to filter out. We're looking for products that are more expensive. In the end, you want to have a store that, has the average product price of at least $70. And as some of the sellers that I showed you before have, average product price of like 200 and so on. So this is a good thing to keep in mind. And after you set the price rules, you have to make sure that the suppliers that you're working with have the right returns and shipping policies, and that they have the right customer service to support you when it comes down to these expensive items. Because you don't want to have cases, you don't want to lose cases. So you have to make sure that everything goes well and flows, because what if they ship the product to the wrong destination, to the wrong location, and things like that. We're talking about expensive items, which will be hard, will be difficult to cover those costs, right? Because they are expensive. And this is why working with local suppliers, you have a lower risk, because it's a shorter distance, shorter shipping times, and handling times, and so on. So it is a good thing to work with suppliers such as Walmart, Home Depot. In the UK you have Zooplus, even from Amazon, and so on. You can also have Chinese suppliers, just that with Chinese suppliers you have to add a few layers of security and also longer shipping times. You have to make sure that everything goes correctly. So now let's move to the next step, which are what are the winning high ticket product criteria. So what do you have to keep in mind when you're looking for these products in your product research? And here it is: 1 sale in 7 days or 3 sales in 30 days. And we are talking about at least 10% profit. Always aim for more, or of course, all right, always for more, but at least minimum 10%. Now, it's preferable to have 2 or 3 competitive advantages. Like better price, better photo, better offer, better listings, item description, and everything. So again, the sellers that I showed in the beginning of this video, you can learn a lot from them, because you can also snipe their products and make it better. Have these 2 or 3 competitive advantages for you in your benefit. Okay, you could go to those sellers and see, filter out 1 sale in 7 days or 3 sales in 30 days. Get all those items. And one thing to keep in mind is this: if you see that you can't offer anything better than your competitors, you can't offer a competitive price, you can have better faster shipping, you can have a better listing or anything, just leave that product. Don't worry about it. Look for another one. Now, if you find that you find an item and you have like these 2 or 3 competitive advantages, and you should list your products. It doesn't matter if there's 20 competitors. Don't worry. You have 2 or 3 advantages in your favor, and it is worth it. It is worth waiting because the profits are higher. Okay, it's a high profit margin. What I'm going to do is right now, I'm going to jump to Zik Analytics, and I'm going to show you how to filter out, how to find high ticket items with these criteria. Okay, let's jump it. So the first thing you have to do, you have to make sure that your settings are set correctly. You come here to quick settings, and then you choose your location. For this example, it's United States, and I'm going to use the supplier. You choose your supplier. I'm going to choose Amazon. For this example, I'm going to use Amazon. You can use Walmart or any other supplier. You apply the changes, then you come here to the product research. Just make sure that everything's correct. So the shipping location is where the item is being shipped from. It is United States, and the eBay site, it is ebay.com. Okay. And then the second step is go to, in this case, Amazon.com, and then we select the department. You look for a niche, with that sells, expensive items. Normally, let's see, like tools and home improvement, for example. This is a good one. And then you just press search, and you scroll down here and you see many options. Okay, let's go with emergency suppliers, because normally there's, battery and generators and things like that, which is expensive. Now you see many options here of products that aren't so expensive. So focus on the rules, on the price that you set to. So we're looking for products that are at least $70. So you scroll down here. Let's see. Okay, I'm looking at some like home smoke. Okay, this is not good enough. I'm looking for more expensive items. Okay, we have one right here. Portable generator. Okay, $833. You scroll down here, you have another one right here, the iPower inverter. And then you see, look, these are the items that you want, not these so much. Okay, so for example, let's click on this one. And this one, you see that there's list price. Okay, there's discount right here, free delivery, United States, and look, $484. So this is a good product that we found here in Amazon. And then the next step is to actually just copy the title, part of the title, and then we go to Zik Analytics product research tool, and then we paste it, and then we search. Now, what's going to happen is that Zik Analytics is going to pull all sellers that are selling this product. So these two people, sellers here, are drop shipping this item, okay? And what you do is you scan them, you scan their sellers, because if they're selling this product, probably their strategy is high ticket drop shipping. And look, we are correct, because the average product price of this one is $200. And you can see the current price, you can set the current price here. And you see the most expensive item is selling for some items for more than $2,000. You see this? Then you scroll down here and then we just snipe the products. Look, this is much easier because the seller is using this strategy and all the products are here. So let's look, for example, look, Salud Spa Hawaii Hydrojet Inflammable Hot Tub. So he sold 7 times the last 30 days. That's really good. This is what a good product looks like, $700. Let's click here in the item finder and guess what? Zik Analytics found the same product right here, okay? For 6 persons, and whoa, look at this profit. Let's check it out. So the seller is selling for $744, and you can buy it for $483, or the list price $600. We're talking about here $144 that you can make out of it. Of course, you have to use Zik Analytics eBay calculator, eBay fee calculator to calculate exactly your break even, your profit margin, everything. But we're talking about a lot of margin, higher margin here, okay, with free delivery and quick shipping. So this is just one example. Now, if you have a store, look at a store like this, something that you have to keep in mind, which is the listing targets. Now, let me show you, let me go back here to the presentation because I want to make this very clear and easy for you to understand. What are the listing targets? Look, the listing targets should be around 700 active listings with 70% sell through, which is 490 sales. And 490 sales, if you take about this product $70, you're talking about $34,000 revenue for more, and then 10% out of that, you're talking about $3,430 profit. So it's less listings and higher profit. And of course, there's some sellers that there's some stores that the average product price is higher than $70. The one I just showed you right now is $200. So you can make all these calculations according to that store, and then you see how much profit you can make, okay? So the core of high ticket drop shipping is a great market research to find products with high demand and low competition. Do you have such products to drop ship it right now? You know, this is what I've been saying. This is what I said in the intro. Don't go anywhere because I'm going to give you 2 products to list right now to your store, all right? So you can try it today and let me know. Let me know how it goes. I'm curious, okay? So like the video, subscribe to our channel, and yes, and let me know when you make some sales with these 2 products that I'm gonna give you. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so this is the first product I wanna show you here on eBay, and this is the seller right here, and they're selling for this $363 right here. So this is basically a hot press machine. Now, since we found a product together in Amazon, using Amazon as a supplier, I wanted to give you 2 products. Not from Amazon, but from AliExpress. Yes, I said that suppliers from China are, you have to have an extra layer of security, and that is why precisely that I want to give these 2 products for you from AliExpress, because they have been tested and they work and it's reliable. So the first product's this one, and you can find an AliExpress right here for $139, 218. The normal price $218 with free shipping. All right, so check it out. You can make the calculations. It's a good profit margin. And the next one is Ladies Golf Club. All right, so it's like 12 pieces with no bag. And the seller right here, Danazo 65, is selling for $949. $949. Okay, and check it out, free shipping. And check it out. in AliExpress, you can find it for $465 plus $36 shipping. You're talking about $500. All right, $500, and it is selling for $949. So this is a really big profit margin. Again, use Zig's fee calculator to make sure that to have the exact prices, the break even, the profit margin, and the profit. Okay, but it is a high profit right here, and these stores have worked. This one, for example, has 96% positive, almost 97% positive feedback. So yes, good options for you right here. And I just want to say that selling high ticket items can be a rewarding experience if you understand your market and have a reliable strategy to follow. So please share your experience by commenting below. If you have sold high ticket items in the last month or not, let me know. Let's talk, okay? Keep moving forward and see you next time.